You're not alone. But what if a $99 gadget could hack into airport Wi-Fi and put thousands at risk? In this video, we're uncovering the story of the Wi-Fi pineapple, a powerful yet affordable tool hackers use to break into public networks, including airports. Before we connect you to the details, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss eye-opening tech stories and cybersecurity tips. Let's get started right now. What is the Wi-Fi pineapple? The Wi-Fi pineapple is a specialized wireless auditing platform created by Hack5, designed ostensibly for cybersecurity professionals to test network security. About the size of a smartphone, this unassuming device packs incredibly powerful capabilities that can compromise entire wireless networks within minutes of deployment. At its core, the pineapple operates as a rogue access point, creating fake Wi-Fi networks that appear legitimate to unsuspecting users. The device runs on a modified version of OpenWrt firmware, specifically optimized for wireless penetration testing and network analysis. Despite its innocent appearance, the pineapple contains sophisticated software tools that would typically require extensive technical knowledge to deploy. What makes the Wi-Fi pineapple particularly dangerous is its user-friendly interface. Unlike traditional hacking tools that require command line expertise and deep technical knowledge, the pineapple can be operated through a simple web-based dashboard that makes complex attacks accessible to users with minimal technical skills. This democratization of advanced hacking capabilities has fundamentally changed the landscape of wireless security threats. The device operates by exploiting fundamental weaknesses in how Wi-Fi networks function. When devices search for known networks, they broadcast the names of previously connected networks, essentially announcing their preferred connections to anyone listening. The pineapple captures these announcements and creates fake networks with matching names, tricking devices into connecting automatically. How airport hacking works. Airports are ideal targets for Wi-Fi pineapple attacks due to crowded spaces, travelers eager for internet, and many real public Wi-Fi networks. Travelers' devices often auto-connect to known networks from hotels, cafes, or past airports, giving attackers multiple entry points. A pineapple placed in an airport broadcasts fake networks with names like airport_free_Wi-Fi or copies of real ones. It listens for network names nearby devices seek and then mimics those networks. Devices connect automatically, routing all traffic through the pineapple, letting attackers see everything. These attacks can also use fake login pages to steal credentials and perform SSL stripping, turning secure connections into unencrypted ones, exposing sensitive info like passwords and credit cards. Real-world airport incidents. Security researchers have shown airport Wi-Fi networks are vulnerable using pineapple devices. In 2016, they intercepted communications from hundreds of devices within hours at major airports. At DEF CON, researchers captured hundreds of unencrypted login credentials from attendees connecting to fake access points in just one day. Airport security struggles to spot these devices because pineapples mimic legit Wi-Fi equipment and can be hidden easily in luggage or disguised as chargers. Airports are prime targets since travelers bring diverse devices and networks. One pineapple can capture credentials across countries and organizations, risking access to corporate and personal data worldwide. The technical arsenal. The Wi-Fi pineapple includes automated attack modules like Evil Portal, which creates fake login pages to steal credentials from social media, email, and corporate sites. Beyond credential theft, it performs detailed network reconnaissance, identifying connected devices, their operating systems, apps, and communication patterns to gather intelligence on targets. Advanced features allow packet injection attacks that manipulate network traffic in real time, injecting malicious code, redirecting users to malware sites, or executing man-in-the-middle attacks to compromise encrypted data. The device also logs all intercepted data, credentials, and network details in organized databases for thorough analysis, making it a highly effective and versatile attack platform. Legal and ethical implications. The legal status of Wi-Fi pineapples is complex and varies across jurisdictions. While marketed as security tools, using them for unauthorized network access is illegal in those countries. Law enforcement often struggles to differentiate between ethical research and malicious hacking. Airports and organizations face liability concerns over insecure Wi-Fi. Some have implemented advanced systems to detect rogue access points, but these measures are not widespread. From an ethical standpoint, many users are unaware of how much their data can be intercepted on public Wi-Fi, raising significant privacy concerns. Security testers using Wi-Fi pineapples must strictly adhere to authorization rules and handle data responsibly to avoid legal and ethical issues. Defense strategies and countermeasures. Protecting against Wi-Fi pineapple attacks requires both tech defenses and user awareness. Using VPNs to encrypt traffic is the best protection, but many casual users don't use them, especially on mobile. Users should disable automatic Wi-Fi connections and check networks carefully before connecting, as warnings about unsecured networks are often ignored. Organizations can deploy wireless intrusion detection systems to spot rogue access points, though skilled attackers may still evade detection. Airports and venues use strong security like certificate-based authentication and network segmentation to raise the bar, but the threat can't be fully eliminated. The evolution of wireless threats. The Wi-Fi pineapple highlights how advanced hacking tools are becoming more accessible. As wireless tech and IoT devices grow, new vulnerabilities emerge, often in devices with weak security. Future wireless hacking tools will likely use AI to automate attacks, making Wi-Fi networks, like those in airports, more risky for users. While new standards like Wi-Fi 6 and 5G offer better security, slow adoption means older vulnerable systems will remain targets for years, keeping tools like the Wi-Fi pineapple effective. All right, that's a wrap on the shocking story of the Wi-Fi pineapple, the $99 tool that can hack airports. A reminder to always stay cautious when using public Wi-Fi, no matter where you are. If this got you thinking, give it a thumbs up and share your experiences or questions in the comments below. And for more digital safety tips and tech stories, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out. See you in the next one.